we're back after 2 weeks off, COVID and drill.
Yeah, drill kind of.
So,
Drill.
we're doing tailgate, continuing with the rust repair on this truck. This has got a rust hole here, so we'll be replacing the tailgate. And I think that'll probably be it today. We had other plans, but some things happened. So, if you want to see what those things are, go check out our TikTok. I'll put a little doohickey or a link in the description, something. Go check out our TikTok and you can figure out what happened there. So we're gonna start on this. Okay, so these are number 3s for sure on the watch list. That's also number 3. So it looks like number 3s, oh, these are Torx here. Number 3s are what take off the entire thing. You probably don't have new brakes.
No. It's like dirt.
Oh, yeah.
Like dirt. Hopefully dirt.
And so it looks like a number 3 screwdriver, a T40 Torx big. Basically do this whole repair.
We're gonna hope. We're gonna hope we don't have to finagle a whole bunch of stuff. Luckily, so far, a lot of these are coming out pretty easily.
Yeah. All the T40s are out. Those are
not gonna come out.
Do we have new? So, or is it just?
That's the.
Or is it
that's
just?
the box.
Okay.
The small box.
I don't know how much new there is. Oh yeah, nice. It's literally all new. All new except for the screws. But they do that because I guarantee that's a mark. So we need to.
My wrist is all busted, so.
Not from the inside.
Alright, we'll just wait.
You're stuck. Those are not.
Yeah, those are.
Those are. Your dad has done this.
No.
This is loose and those are shredded. I think your dad's messing with you.
Maybe.
Maybe not, but you know his policy. Well, I'm sure he had a reason. And then it got really bad and he's like, no, maybe we don't fix that. Literally, people could donate 50 cents and probably won't have Torx. On the impact stuff.
Enter for a chance to win.
Hey, we could totally put some straps on that and have a 6 sled.
Never mind.
Out with the old,
In with the new.
it's stuck in the box. Ooh, shiny.
Brand new.
No.
Bad though.
It doesn't have any clips. I don't know where this is. Let's put that on. So I just took out focus. These little clips. You can see they kind of have like a focus. Kind of like a little push pin design. So all I did was take a flathead screwdriver, get in behind it, and pry it out. Flip sides, pry it out, and it popped right out. There's a handful of them. These go to hold that little cover panel that Cole took off. These are just brackets, you know. I just had to repaint them. Rusty stuff continues rusting.
Oh yeah, I didn't take any pictures today because it's a small job, but check out the Instagram, @StupidEndeavors. I think it's stupid_endeavors. The incident is definitely going on the Instagram as well. That's it, right? And this is a special torque screwdriver, and I'm taking it to about 30 inch-pounds. You go. There it is. You know you're done when the bolt either shears off or you shit yourself.
So now he's putting the rest of the bolts back in.
I'm looking at it.
We have to put the cover panel back on, test the latch, and put the little black plastic cover as well. So we're almost there. We're really getting there. As you can see, I'm working super hard.
We were stupid, so we left our tools in the snow that's in the back of the bed. Huh? Why? It's just, it's still loose.
Okay, I'll get that. Watch
Not so lined up, but
better over here.
that was FedEx. FedEx!
Okay, so got a nice shiny black tailgate, no more rust. We got some body work to do and stuff, but like I said, we're gonna kind of do that later when we do a full respray of the truck. So that's it for this video. Next week we're doing the fender flares.
Yes.
So come back next week to see us put on some fender flares.